Hello, I'm Dragoș, and in this video we're gonna see how you can add an YouTube feed to your WordPress website. So this feed it will fetch your latest videos from your channel, and you have some customization options of how they can be displayed. You have an example right here on this site. I choose this for the demonstration. So here you have like the title and the description that are on YouTube, and in here you have the latest videos with the load more and the subscribe button. So to do this we're gonna use a plugin. This is a plugin fit for YouTube, and we are going to install it and configure it on my site wpdas.com, so I can have a page where my latest videos will be displayed. I've also did a performance test to see how this plugin is impacting my WPDOS website. You see here, like right now we have like 30 requests, and the size of the page it's like 376 kilobytes compressed. So we're gonna see how much load this plugin is adding to the site, because this is something that it's important for me. I don't want my site to be slow. So I'm here on wpdas.com, and I would like to add a page where the latest videos will be posted, so every time the visitors comes can have the options to see these videos directly on my site and play them from there. Also you can promote this page internally for more views. So let's go, and first let's install the plugin. I'll go to plugin, add new, and in here I will search for feeds for YouTube. Okay, this is the plugin. You see like it has 5-star ratings, and it has like 40,000 active installs. It is updated yesterday, so this plugin it's kept up to date, and it has good reviews. Also it has a free option and a pro options for more customizations, but for me the free options are enough right now. So the plugin it's installed right now, and in here we'll go and set up the feed. So go to settings first, and in here you have the general options. Connect your YouTube account. We'll add a source. And in here we choose the WPDOS. Allow. Okay, so right now our account is connected. And in here you have some options to import the feed settings, to export them, and things like that. In here in the feed area you have the option for caching, and this will cache the latest videos at every hour. You have the options to choose from here. That for me every hour is okay. The GDPR, that it's the automatic one. And here you have the options to add some custom CSS code. Let's see, in advanced you have the Ajax theme loading fix. I will let it like this. You have the usage tracking in here, the cron clear cache in case you have problems with the loading for the videos, custom templates, include JavaScript, other JavaScript in the header instead of the footer. I will let it in the footer, it's okay. I'll hit save changes. Then we're gonna need and add our feed. Okay, let's go to our feeds, and in here we hit add new. We choose the channel, we choose next. The others are paid. Here we connect the channel ID again. We hit allow. Okay, right now it's connected. We hit next. And in here you have the customizations for this thing. So in here you have the template. and you can choose from various one in here, but they're available with the paid plan. You see here, if you choose another one, you will be asked to upgrade. But for me, I will let the default one because it's okay. White, okay. Next to header feed layout. In here you have the grid option, and it will look like this, like a grid. Then you have the gallery where it will put the big video in the header and then the gallery, and you have the list option. For me, gallery it's okay. In here you have the number of columns on the desktop and on mobile. 3 it's okay for the desktop and 1 on mobile to be visible easier. In here you have like the options to view how this is looking like for mobile or for the tablet or the desktop. Okay, let me save this. In here you have some video tweaks that you can go and customize, edit individual videos. Here you have the options to disable the play icon from videos. I will let it like this because I don't like having this without a play. The visitor will not know what this is. For the rest, you need to go to Pro to activate the video title, username, things like that. Okay, hover state. In here, the video title to be displayed when you hover, like this. It's okay. The rest can be activated with a pay. Okay, let's go to the color scheme right now. Here you have the options to inherit from the theme, or light or dark, like this. For me, I like it to be inherit from the theme. The header it's this thing that it will appear in here. If you check it, it will fetch the header from YouTube and the description from YouTube. I will let only the header like this because I like it more. You can also customize this with Gutenberg or Elementor if you want, but I will let it like this for now. It's okay. Let's see what videos has. This was the video tweaks. It was the Lightbox experience that we didn't go through last time. And here you have the size, like 9 to 60 or 3 by 4. I will let the default one. When does video play? When it clicked. For me it's okay like this. Call to action. YouTube default. I will choose. This is what will show when the user pauses or the video ends. So I'll hit save. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is finished. The videos. Load more button. This is the button from here. You have the options to change the text, the background, hover state. Okay, I will let it like this right now. For me it's okay. The subscribe button, same text, color, hover state, text. So I will choose the red one. So I will save this. So like this our feed should look like on our page. To embed it, you have like multiple options. You can copy this YouTube feed code to the Elementor or Gutenberg shortcode block, but we have a block that can help you add this. So right now what you need to do is go to our pages and add this widget. I have created a video page. Okay, let's go and edit this thing. And in here you have I use the cadence. You have the options to check the page layout, if you want narrow, if you want with sidebar or full width. So I will disable the page header and I will let it normal for me, the default, not boxed to be. We'll see how this will look like. Then we will add our feed for YouTube. You can search it, feed for YouTube, and add it. And in here you see that it will look like this. Right now we're gonna go and update this. Okay, I will open a new private window and see how this thing is looking. So right now this page looks like this. It is nice and smooth. If you hit load more, you will more videos will be loaded. So if you want to play, you can do like this.
Hello?
Same in here, for instance, if you want.
Hello? Hello? Is this...
And the video it will be showing in here. So you have the more videos that are added in here. So this looks nice and it offers your visitor options to add the videos easily. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and test the GT metrics, but first let me add this page to the mobile, to the website, to be visible also in the website. Let's go to the appearances menus and we'll add our page there so the visitors can have this video. Okay, add to menu. You can add the SEO title and descriptions to this page in function of what plugin you are using. So I will gonna add this page before the blog. I'll hit save. And if we go again into the and open it, you see that we're gonna have this page in here, and this thing is quite fast and you have the options to load it. Okay, let's see now about the performance that this plugin added to our website, because this is something that interests me. Okay, so we have 30 requests, 376 kilobytes, 102 megabytes uncompressed. This is what this interests me. So let's go and retest this. I'll hit retest and see what is the load that this plugin is adding to my website. I am interested of the request and how big is the CSS and Java that this is added. So I'm doing the test for the home page. See, like the videos appeared here, so this is taking the latest version. Okay, still 100%. Duty metrics, let's go and check the waterfall. Let's see. So you have still 30 requests, still the same number of kilobytes, and the uncompressed version is the same. So it looks like this it's adding the code in the only the page that that needs this. So this is not loading your website at all. So this is a nice thing. So you can use this plugin and your website will not have any performance decrease. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. See you next time.